areas in Turkey, November 2023, where strong storm caused flash floods in various regions in Turkey.
Çarşı merkez şu anda çok fena. Allah'ım dışarıda kalanlara yardımcı olsun.
The downpour continues to affect the cities in Turkey. At many points, cars were left in the water and houses and workplaces were flooded. The adobe house in the Central Şehitler District was completely destroyed. Many vehicles were swept away by the flood on the 306nd Street of Şehitler District, where floods occurred due to heavy rainfall in Batman. Due to the downpour, houses and workplaces in many neighborhoods such as Hurriyet, Gultepe, Fatih, Belde, Safak, Karsiyaka, Kultur, and Jamiltepe were flooded. Some vehicle drivers were also stranded on the road. Municipal teams started cleaning in the streets and helped some surrounded citizens with their work machines. Due to the rain, the ground floor of Batman training and buildings was also flooded. In the statement made by the governorship, it was stated that citizens should stay away from basement.
Kaybolmuş ha Mercedes. Abi baksanıza Allah aşkına Mercedes içinde kaybolmuş ya. Batman'da Mercedes içinde kaybolmuş.
He said, due to excessive rainfall, our city Batman municipality AFAD special team 112 and all our other emergency response units are on alert and responding to reports. Our valuable citizens are driving their vehicles except for emergencies.